6 makeup mistakes that can make you look twice older. Makeup can be used to boost your self-confidence and emphasize your best facial features. However, instead of making your skin and overall appearance look better, makeup can sometimes make you appear older than you are. In this video, we will teach you the most common makeup mistakes that you should avoid. 1. Putting on too much concealer. Sometimes, in your desire to achieve that perfect matte effect, you apply too much concealer. If you choose the wrong color or apply a thick layer in your face, you will end up emphasizing your wrinkles, which make you appear twice older. Because of this, professionals recommend that you avoid thick foundations and use those which have luminous particles that can make your skin look naturally healthy and vibrant. 2. Choosing the wrong lipstick color. Lipsticks can surely do wonders in your appearance. Do not be afraid to experiment with rich and saturated tones. However, the basic rule is that if you have narrow lips, you shouldn't use dark-colored lipstick because it will make your lips look much thinner. 3. Applying intense colors on your cheeks. Instead of using dark colors on your cheeks, apply lighter colors such as peach or pink to add a natural glow that will make you look younger. Also, it is recommended to apply it on the upper part of your cheeks instead of the central part. 4. Forgetting about your eyebrows. As you age, you will notice that your eyebrows will start to disappear from the outside. Hence, you should put in more effort in keeping it well defined and maintaining its shape for a more youthful look. One thing to keep in mind, though, is to try to keep it natural, because making it too thick or too thin will jeopardize your look. 5. Not applying foundation. If there is one thing that you shouldn't skip, it is applying foundation. Forgetting to apply foundation on your face will make your skin look dull in certain spots and shiny in others. To make your skin look lively, apply foundation and enjoy the sheer, translucent finish that it provides. 6. Putting on heavy black eyeliner. Overcompensating for your thinning eyelashes with the use of heavy black eyeliner can draw attention to the wrinkles around your eye area. To avoid this, use other tones such as gray or dark brown, and use pencil eyeliners instead of the liquid ones, because the latter tend to be too heavy. While aging is inevitable, you can still look young with the proper application of makeup. Keep in mind, however, that the tips mentioned in this video are just a few of the things you could do to avoid looking older when you apply makeup. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.